So on a job site in Ossian, Indiana today. Of course, we were thrilled with all the snow. That took us a couple hours to get the roof prepped. Little extra work. Here's the standing seam machine. So you got your generator, your machine. You see those doors right here on the side. This is where all of our coils. That's where all the coils can be loaded into the machine. So the machine, you see, is here. The machine's down here, and you've got a trim rack built into it. So when we transport, we can load everything all at once. All your trims can get loaded on here, and you'll notice that the coil, we've burned through one coil. We got one coil left to get this job done. We needed two. But this machine, we can load 3 coils on each stanchion. And you come over, and you've got your batch and length controller right here. The coils will come out here through your drive rollers. All your tooling on each side, your right side and your left side tooling. That's going to put the shape into the panel on the sides. And you see these striations in the panel. These are striation rollers right here. And then they'll come out, run to length, and then there will be a shear that'll shear down and make a nice clean cut. And you can see this is the panel that they make. They're making all their cuts and getting it prepped. They're folding those under over there because those are going to hook into the eave. Here, I'll show you. Excuse me. So they'll come in with this standing seam system. Standing seam will hook into the eave down there, into that gutter apron cleat. Now they'll do and put finishing touches with it, and they will clamp it together to make it work, to shut it even further, shut those cleats down. But you see, they use clamps. This is not a snap lock system where it has a built-in nail flange. This is what's called a clip fastener system. So they'll go in and get up there. See if we can get a good picture of one. So we'll go in here, and that seam will get folded over. So the clip goes over, fastens it. You can see him over there fastening clips down. Clips go over top. Yep. He knows I'm watching him now. Yep, the clips go in. The next panel will go over top, and then it'll get a machine and hand crimp, where we will crimp that, and that little white piece you see there will get folded over, similar to that. Nice and clean. So this is a black smooth. All those little dirty marks you see on there, those are just foot traffic. That'll all get cleaned off with the next rain or snow or frost. And yeah, about a day job with big enough crew. And we'll have some finishing touches, like to bend the valley over. We'll still have some of these smaller runs to do. But yeah, all in all, coming along nice, considering the weather.